A personalized guest experience does not need to be time consuming. Learn 5 smart hacks to wow your guests with less effort. For our start, subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future episodes. You're not alone. In fact, most B&B owners tell us the same thing. I want to do more for my guests, but I barely have time to sit down with a cup of tea. Well, here's the secret. You don't need grand gestures to make impressions. Let's talk about smart, time-saving touches that still feel warm, thoughtful, and genuinely you. And stick around for the last tip, because that's the one that saves many owners the most time each week. So let's talk about thoughtful touches that guests notice instantly. Here's a quick quiz. What's the one item every guest touches within 5 minutes of arriving in their room? The answer? The welcome note. Simple, handwritten, and propped on the pillow. It packs a punch. You don't need to rewrite Shakespeare, just welcome them by name, mention something from their booking notes, for example, hope the cycling trail is just as scenic as promised, and then sign off with your name. To save time, write a generic-based note and leave spaces for names or activities. Batch these weekly. 10 minutes, you're done. Personal without being present. Use QR codes. This one's becoming a game changer. Guests want personal recommendations, but you can't sit down with everyone over a glass of wine unless you've cloned yourself. Enter the Personalized Local Guide. Create a one-page PDF of your favorite cafes, dog-friendly beaches, walking trails, bookshops, then convert it to a QR code and frame it in every room. It feels like you sat down with us and planned our weekend, said a guest of a B&B. That's the truth. The owner made it 6 months ago on Canva. Here's a usable tip. Update it seasonally and link it to your B&B's Google Drive or Dropbox. It takes 10 minutes per quarter. Set the mood before they arrive. Ever walked into a room and thought, ooh, this feels like somebody really cares? Well, that's what you should be aiming for. Sensory cues that cost no extra time. For example, a Spotify playlist softly playing, classical guitar or local folk tunes on a loop, a diffuser with lavender or cedar wood scent, soft lighting on dimmers or warm lamps instead of overheads. Here's a guest insight from the Build Your B&B from Dreams to Doors open course. Guests don't always remember what you did, but they do remember how they felt. Let your space do the heavy lifting. The pre-baked wow factor. Fresh cookies. You probably knew this one was coming, but don't worry. It isn't about baking daily. Bake in batches and freeze. Then reheat just before check-in. You get the smell, the warmth, and the love without needing to whip out your apron at 3 p.m. Bonus? Use cookie bags branded with your B&B's name and a little note. It'll look like you hired a marketing team when really it was just a $6 Etsy order. If you like, you can get more practical tips by listening to the Bed, Breakfast, and Business podcast. Schedule one magic email. Want to make a big impression before guests arrive? Write one welcome email, just one. Automate it through your booking platform and send it 3 days before check-in. What should it say? Personalized greeting by using their name. Your top 3 recommendations linked. Check-in instructions written like a friend's texting them. Like, can't wait to hear about your breakfast favorite. Are you a porridge or pancake person? This creates excitement, reduces your questions on arrival, and takes 15 minutes max to set up. Want to know a real time saver? Here's the one thing that saves many owners hours a week while still making guests feel spoiled. A rotating personal touch calendar. Each week of the month, rotate a small gesture. Week 1, handwritten quote cards on the pillows. Week 2, mini jars of local honey. Week 3, chocolate on towels. Week 4, local art postcards. You prepare one of those each week, not all. Guests will feel wowed, and you stay sane. This comes straight from the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course. And I know many owners that have used it since. Minimal time, maximum magic. Do you have a trick that guests rave about but takes no time at all? Love to hear about it in the comments. So here are your key takeaways. Batch your welcome notes. Use QR codes for local tips. Pre-bake and freeze cookies. Automate your welcome emails. Rotate small gestures weekly. You don't need to do more to give guests a personal, memorable stay. You just need to do a few things smartly. By batching, rotating, and automating your personal touches, you can create deep connections without burning out. You'll want to be known for warmth without losing sleep or your weekend. If this episode helped, you'll love our Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course. It goes deeper into personalization, automation, and branding. Also, if you did like this episode, you might enjoy the How to Improve Your B&B Sleep Quality for Happier Guests, episode 49. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And if you like the information we're producing, feel free to buy us a coffee.